This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Valerie Barsick. This is the perfect opportunity to explore a short-term stay at one of Hutchinson Island's most sought-after communities. Wide water views and the sound of rolling waves of the Intracoastal await you in this beautifully updated, fully furnished off-season rental at Sandpebble, available May 1, 2024, December 31, 2024 with a 6-month minimum. A gorgeous new chef's kitchen with stainless steel appliances, tile plank flooring in a driftwood finish, full-size stackable washer and dryer plus lovely beach-themed design throughout. Sandpebble offers 5 pools, private beach access, tennis/pickleball and so much more. No pets or smoking permitted. Tenant is responsible for first and last, $2,000 security deposit, $28/adult background check, $75 transaction fee and $50 HOA application fee. Water, Wi-Fi and basic cable are included in this rental. Tenant pays $200 cleaning fee and electric. For more information, review the details below.